Bar-sided skink. Usually live around boulders. Quite a large skink. They're also quite bold as well. Allows you to get quite close to them. This one's got a regenerated tail tip. That'll grow back. It's cloudy and cold. And there's a Tommy roundhead dragon, really huge for this species. It's just basking right beside some towers on the top of a hill. Obviously trying to soak up any rays it can get. So this one that we've got now is a carpet python, and a small one. Let's see the colours. Oh, it's a really dark one. Chances are it's lifting its head to taste the air, see what's going on around it. This frog is called the wide-mouthed frog, also called the New Holland frog. Typically when approached they duck their head. This one seems to be pretty timid. You can see why they're called wide-mouthed frog. We just found this fairly average looking carpet python crossing the road. It's about 11 o'clock at night and we're still seeing snakes active. The road's quite warm. Snakes are quite warm, I presume. They're still heating up for tonight to go on their hunts. Mulga snake. Pseudechus australis. It's got some damage on the right eye. It's a healthy snake otherwise. Sub-adult Australian coral snake. They feed predominantly on reptile eggs. A lot of people don't understand just how small Australian snakes can be. This one will only grow about another 10, maybe 15 centimeters long, and it's an adult, and then it will be able to reproduce. Black-headed python has just been disturbed by our lights. It's starting to slither off the road. Magnificent big black-headed python. Out here they'll be mostly eating other reptiles and occasionally the odd rabbit. Show you size reference. Might get a close-up of the head as well, if it lets me. Beautiful glossy black head on it. Anelios boomi, faint striped blind snake. It's probably the first one ever filmed. Stripes are so faint you can barely see them. feed on ant larvae and ants. Just found this absolutely gorgeous carpet python sitting beside the road at about 1 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful pattern on it.